BSION is the Sinisave.
Sinisave.
Based on my dispatch information, my mechanism of injury is pedestrian struck. Is this only my patient?
Yes, that's your only patient.
And I'm gonna go ahead and request for additional EMS. And since my mechanism of injury is pedestrian struck, I will consider spine immobilization for this patient. General impression, I have one patient, approximately 10 years old. Position is in a lateral position with blood in his right patella. Checking for level of consciousness. Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay? Sir, unsa gibati naman sakit, sir?
Ang tod.
Kabalo ka na unsa ka?
Oh, banggaan.
Unsay pangalan nimo?
Sean Russell Gukor.
Sean Russell Gukor. Kaya atong pasyente nakatubag man, so atong pasyente is level of consciousness niya is alert. Next, life-threatening bleeding. So since naaman siya life-threatening bleeding dire sa iyahang tuhod, ato siya siyang i-treat. Next, if na-treat na siya, let's go for the A, B, and C, the airway, breathing, and circulation. Since atong patient is alert, and then makicommunicate sa tuwa, so assume na to na si patient is naa siya patent na airway. If unconscious ang patient, ato siyang i-head tilt chin lift. If dili wala siya suspected C-spine injury, if naa, perform taog jaw thrust maneuver. Then check for secretion or kaning mga bara-bara sa baba. Next, check pod ninyo kung naay obstruction. Then i-treat na to ang patient. So tanggalon na tong secretion using suction machine. Then if visible yahang obstruction na dako, ato siyang finger sweep. Next, let's go to check na to ang breathing sa tong pasyente. So atong tan-awon sa breathing sa pasyente niya, isang yahang rise and fall if sabay ba ang yahang rise and fall. Next is ato siyang paminawon na to ang yahang lung sounds. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Kung naapod siya injury sa iyang chest na maka-impaired sa iyahang ginatawag na to kaning breathing, so ato siyang i-treat. Kung atong pasyente is baba siya SpO2, baba siya RR, dapat ato siyang hatagan og oxygenation using sa katong mga oxygen device o mga kanyola such as NRB